So we're going to start the lacing style by putting the lace down through the outside first hole, bring it across the shoe and out through the opposite first hole. Just put it a little way through, and then we're going to make sure that our laces are the same length by putting the ends of the laces together, pulling out the front bar and pulling up. And in that way you'll make sure that you've got the same length. So I'm just going to pull on that bar a little bit, and we're going to start off with the outside lace first. It's going to come across the shoe to the inside third hole. Then we're going to take the inside lace, bring it across the shoe to the outside third hole. Then I'm going to take the inside lace, bring it back on itself and bring it up through the inside second hole. And then take the outside lace and you're going to bring that up through the outside second hole. Then we're going to take the outside lace across the shoe to the inside fourth hole. Then take the inside lace across the shoe to the outside fourth hole. Then take the inside lace, bring that up through the inside third hole. Then take the outside lace and bring that up through the outside third hole. Then take the outside lace, bring it across the shoe to the inside fifth hole. Then take the inside lace across the shoe to the outside fifth hole. Then take the inside lace and bring it up through the inside fourth hole. Then take the outside lace and bring that up through the outside fourth hole. Then take the outside lace and bring it up through the inside sixth hole. Then take the inside lace and bring that across to the outside sixth hole. Then take the inside lace and bring it up through the inside fifth hole. Then take the outside lace and bring that up through the outside fifth hole. I'm just going to adjust the bars now and make sure that they're all giving you that diamond look so you can see how it's supposed to look. Then I'm going to take that outside lace and this time I'm going to come across to the top hole, the first top hole. Then the inside lace comes across to the first top hole. Then I'm going to take the inside lace and I'm going to take it back on itself, bring it up through this hole. And then the outside lace goes back on itself and up through this hole. Then I'm going to take the outside lace and I'm going to show you two different ways that you can finish this style. You can either take it across, so I'll show you this first style. You can take it across and bring it up through here. And then take the inside lace and bring that across to the very top hole. And then, because with this lacing style there's not enough lace there just to tuck it behind your tongue, there's a good chance that this will come out unless you do perhaps a little knot here next to there to stop it from pulling out. But when you bring your tongue up, there's a good chance that you'll be able to see that. So instead of doing that, you could do a little bit of maybe like a loosely finish. And by doing that, you could take the outside lace, bring it across here and out of this hole, which means you'll have two laces coming out of here, and it will help it to keep the last little bit of the lace in place rather than working its way back through. So just bring it out like you would a loosely style, then take this one and go out through again this top one on the opposite side, like that. Just make sure you've got the same amount on both sides. And if I bring the tongue up, you can see how that would look. So you've got that kind of like nice diamond lace and loosely lace, and being well secured at the top like that. If you want to see a little bit more clearly your logo there, you could take these out of here. This time don't come up to the top, the absolute top hole. So I'm going to take those out, and instead of coming back on themselves, you could just leave it there. So you come up, make your diamond lace, and then you only take that last little bit of lace through that first hole, which gives you quite a bit of lace left over. And it does mean then that you could put that behind the tongue, and when the shoe is on your foot, you could then make factory lace out of those, which would help to secure these and stop them from working their way out. So I'll just show you that. So bring your two laces together. I'm going to tie quite loosely. Just bring a loop around your finger, and you're going to pass that through that loop there. So you've got quite a nice loose, not too loose, but a loose factory knot, and then that can go behind your tongue. So that's secure enough there. It would sit between your foot, top of your foot, and your tongue, like that. So you could just adjust that so you can see what it should look like. So you could leave it like that. So there are two different ways. There's this one here, and there is this one here that I've just shown you. So there you've got two different ways to finish off your diamond lace on your Jordan 1 mids.